Hello, Internet, and welcome back to the Story Nook. Go ahead, grab your tea, or a coffee, or a cocoa, whatever it is you would like to drink. I am coming to you with a wholesome news article posted by the Dodo. I love watching the videos that the Dodo puts out on YouTube. They often make me cry because they're heartwarming and sweet, and I need that. And almost all the Dodos articles involve animals. And I love animals. I'm pretty sure that is very, very obvious. And this one is written by an Ashley Ortez, and it was published on March 5th, 2026, at 6:11 p.m. And to give context, I'm reading this on March 7th. This video probably won't be up till April. But yeah. And it is titled Doorbell Camera Captures Custodian and Her Dog Finding a Sweet Surprise at Work. And we have a subtitle of My Eyes Filled Up with Tears Watching It All in a little smiling teared up emoji. Get my little pointy stick. I like to move my cursor along as I read. Of all the places, Olivia Perkins' doorbell camera has captured one familiar visitor, tugs at her heart every single time. Guinevere, the dedicated custodian of Perkins' apartment complex, walks past her door nearly every day, hauling bags of trash and keeping the building spotless. And right by her side is her most adorable coworker of all, a tiny loyal companion named Princess. And this is a photo of Guinevere and Princess. Princess, Guinevere's little pup, loves joining her mom at work for the night shift. Every time Perkins received a motion alert of Guinevere from the doorbell camera, she could count on seeing Princess following, just a few steps behind. And she soon came up with the perfect way to thank them. We have another one. Look at Princess and her little vest. It all started when Perkins noticed just how often Guinevere worked. Nearly every evening she passed by in a neon reflective vest, collecting garbage bags long after most residents were home for the night. Having worked night shifts herself, Perkins immediately felt a wave of sympathy. The job that she has is very demanding, and working late at night, I knew it was taking her away from her family, Perkins told the Dodo. She's by herself with no help. More screenshot, and you can see got a leash on Princess. To alleviate Guinevere's workload, Perkins began taking out her own trash, so the hard-working custodian would have one less bag to carry. Then she came up with a plan to surprise Guinevere and Princess with a gift. Perkins walked through the aisles of her local pet supply store, searching for a little sweater for Princess. She couldn't find any, so she eventually settled on a cute lamb chop plushie. Then she rounded the corner and saw a miniature version of the vest that Guinevere wears. I found the vest last minute and knew it would be perfect for them to match, Perkins said. And it was cute. So we have a photo of the lamb plushie with, like, the hat. I think lamb chop is a very common, popular dog's toy. And we've got Wrangler Outdoor Pet Reflective Safety Vest. For your dog, smiley face. Very cute. Perkins rushed home, eager to surprise Guinevere and Princess with their new gift. She set the vest and toy out on a table in front of her door, then waited until she received the motion alert from her doorbell camera. When Guinevere finally arrived, her reflection was priceless. She smiled immediately. I could tell at that very moment work wasn't on her mind, Perkins said. My eyes filled up with tears watching it all, and you can watch that moment here. I don't think I have volume on. Volume seems to just be music in the background. Let me pause my music. You can see it's several shots of Guinevere and Princess going back and forth on different days collecting the garbage. Which is very, like, time consuming because, like, I cleaned. And this is the photos and videos they took of the gifts before they left them out. Especially since it seems like she comes by 5 days a week at most, but it's pretty much almost every day. So who knows, like, when her weekend is, if, like, say she's off on Sunday, but she comes back, works Monday, maybe she's off on a Wednesday. I had some jobs to do that. And then she waves with cute little pupper. Because, like, she may be taking out the trash, but she might also be, like, doing other things. I was pretty much a custodian for, like, a park center. So my job was to go clean the public restrooms, take out trash, wipe down windows, dust in the corners and everything. So I'm sure, like, trash isn't the only thing, like, she's in charge of, especially working so late at night to go and collect it. Guinevere was thrilled to receive Perkins' sweet gift. She lifted Princess up to the camera and waved in gratitude, both smiling from ear to ear. Then she placed the vest on Princess and handed her the toy before the two shuffled off again into the distance. What began as a simple act of kindness quickly grew into something much more. Perkins and Guinevere now chat regularly, and Perkins has even babysat Princess during Guinevere's night shifts. Just a few weeks ago, they were strangers who barely knew each other. Now they feel like family. We are good friends now, Perkins said. We call and text each other every day. Which I think is super sweet. And the article lists to Guinevere and Olivia's TikTok if you want to keep up with them. They also have a GoFundMe you can donate to help Princess and Guinevere thrive. But I just, like, I read this and I was just like, yay! I needed something super wholesome and sweet, and look at them. It's adorable. I like sweet, wholesome things. Big yawns. Sorry. It's like 5 a.m. on a Saturday. I should still be sleeping, but I woke up, had to go pee, and then I saw that Nintendo is suing the United States government. And I've only skimmed the article so far. I need to actually finish reading it. But I'm looking forward to reading it. But I hope that their life is comfortable. I hope Princess loves the vest, and that everything goes well for all three of them. We needed that wholesomeness. And really, sometimes just like a small act of kindness can really lead you to meeting and becoming friends with people, like, that you never thought you would interact or be friends with before. So yeah. So remember, have a great day. Stay safe, stay hydrated. Let me pull up the Patreon Ko-fi supporters. Things I've been doing. I am working on opening, like, my little merch shop for Ko-fi. Ko-fi, my commissions for digital art is still up there, and you're able to go. Any commissions you get from my Ko-fi, you will have, your names will be written in the credits for, like, ever. Patreon supporters, free and paid members, your names are also read, and you can get access to, like, my YouTube scripts early. You can get access to my artwork early, the whips, everything. Any live streams that I tend to make private, once I'm done with them, those will also be available for you to watch. And you can also download desktop backgrounds that I make for free to use, as well as coloring book pages. So enjoy that. So thank you very much, Tweety Cakes, Axel1154, Kaleidoscope Chick, Cassie G, Chadas Diaz, Axel Akaraz, Pizza Nene, Semi Random Sevens, and Micah. You are all wonderful and awesome, and I hope you have a great day. Remember to stay hydrated. I am still currently working on my book series called Cute Fluffy Gay Shit. So if you want cute, adorable, fluffy, gay short stories, check them out. They're available on most ebook retailers. One is available through the Google eShop. You've got them on Amazon, Smashwords, Barnes and Nobles even. And my husband wants me to work on getting some published physically, and I want like at least 10 of the short stories to go together before I put them all together physically, and I don't have 10 completely written yet. Book 5 I'm working on the cover for. So remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. So yeah. Bye bye.